Today we are going to talk about why men should drink apple cider vinegar for better digestion.
Are you looking for a natural way to improve your digestion? Look no further than apple cider vinegar. In this video, we'll explore how apple cider vinegar can benefit men's digestive health. Digestive issues can be a common problem for men, but drinking apple cider vinegar can help alleviate these symptoms. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, which can help improve digestion by breaking down food and preventing bloating. Additionally, apple cider vinegar can help regulate the pH levels in the stomach, which can prevent acid reflux and heartburn. To see the best results, try incorporating apple cider vinegar into your daily routine. You can add 1 or 2 tablespoons to a glass of water or use it as a salad dressing. Just be sure to dilute it and start with a small amount to avoid any discomfort. We hope this video has convinced you to try apple cider vinegar for improved digestive health. As always, be sure to consult with your doctor before making any changes to your diet or health routine. And if you want more apple cider vinegar information, read the description down below or watch this next video.